Hey, what's up, guys? We're right here. This is continuing the Silverado build. I'm over here at the homie Marcos. Say what's up, Marcos. Marcos right here. He buys up these Tahoes and Silverados, and that's what he does. He's got this project right here. You might see it on the channel later. And he just finished the Dos Puertas Tajos, bruh. So he's gonna put this guy. You're taking it to the show, right? What show are you taking it to?
Taking a Trucking Madness.
He's taking the Trucking Madness.
Trucking Madness on the 1st.
Where's
April
that
1st. That's gonna be at the AB Fairgrounds.
At the AB Fairgrounds. So
Yeah,
if you guys want to check,
banding.
my boy. He's gonna be bringing a bunch of parts right there at the fairgrounds.
Jerky.
And he's got a bunch of jerky. He makes and sells jerky too. But there's a Tahoe that he's working on. This thing, it's a 4x4 drop. 4x4 has been pulled out already. Not yet, so it's still 4x4. And this thing was a piece of crap when I saw it, but now it's real nice. And he does it on the cheap too, on the barato. This follows a lot of the channel's guidelines, which is cheap on a budget, and that's what he does.
5K is gone.
5K, yeah. And then he's got I'm trying to see if I sold the green Tahoe, guys, by the way. Sorry about that. I'll make a video on that, but I might snatch this guy up and see what happens. But this is where I get a lot of my parts from. If I can't find them here, I go to the junkyard. Right now, Marco's got me. You got the climate control?
Yeah, it's right there.
So he got me the climate control. Oh, it's over.
Where it is right there.
Oh, here it is. So he got me the climate control. It's a little dirty, but I'll make a video on how to swap these buttons out. It's a little pain in the butt, but I'll make the video so you guys can see that. And then we have we'll have the build for you guys. And then there's Herrera. What's up, Jose?
What's up?
So yeah, guys, so next time we make the rest of the video, piece it together, it'll be me taking this apart to make it nice and then putting it in the truck. All right, so it'll be a second for you guys. It'll be maybe a day or two for me. All right, Marcos, man, let me show him you want me to show him your number and stuff so he can give you a call?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so if you guys want to give him a call, his phone number is right there. There we go. There he is. So give him a call, and he can get you any part you need for your truck. All right, I'll see you guys right now a little bit. What's up, guys? So we are here at the house. We just came back from Marcos's. Shout out to Marcos. So we're gonna install and test the new part out, make sure it works before I take it apart. And see how mine the dials are nicer than on his, the one that I bought from him. So I'm gonna probably take this apart and show you guys how to swap these out. It's kind of a pain. Haven't done it in a long time, so I'll see if it's a pain. If it is, then I'll just swap out the whole interior and just keep the motherboard. I'll figure something out because I want to be able to keep these are nicer, and see how we can make it work. But I haven't done one of these in forever, so I'll take it apart so that I can take this off with both hands. Boom. And plow. Done. All right, guys. So actually, this is actually pretty easy. I thought it was desoldering, but my cousin reminded me that that's only on the Merc. So for this particular guy, it's super easy. You take 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, which are a 5-socket, little 5-socket, right? And then it all comes right out. And then this guy, all you do is you get a little pry tool, and you just, right? But I think you don't even have to do that. I think you just, you could just wedge it out, So I'm gonna see if that is the case. So let's see here. So I'm doing it with my hand. Man, don't break this one because it's the one that we're gonna use. So you get in there. And here. Okay. Nope, I gotta take it off so I can get just the right amount of play. So when you take it off, it'll give you play like this, and then you can take it off. So yeah, it's that simple. All right, guys, and there you go. So there she is, cleaned up. And then we'll go put this guy in the truck. I still gotta clean out this dial and this dial, but there you go. And the button's not faded, and it works and everything. For you guys that are wondering, Marcos gave me this piece for $20. 20 bucks is what he gave me this piece for. So we are pretty low budget so far. What do we got? I think we got $20 in this. Nothing for the mirrors. The mirrors were, I think they were like $60. $60 for the mirrors. So we're $80 into the truck so far, plus what I paid for it. So yeah, let's go throw this into the truck, and I will see you guys. All right, guys. There she is. So it's all in there. I gotta get this bottom tray is too high up, this bottom piece, so I gotta take all that off and adjust it so that this will go in. But there she is. So she's on there. Looks better than it was. Maybe later I'll get some paint and touch all this stuff up so you can't see all that. Maybe see if I can find another one of these on the eBay or somewhere. But for now, she is done till we get a stereo. I'll throw in the lights as well. Maybe I'll do one video together of me putting it on the lights. I don't think you guys want to watch that, but I'm pretty sure it'll be fun to somebody. I got that guy on order. I sure hope it's the right color. These things are cheap. They're like $23. I'll put a link down below, so you guys can get the bottom part if you ever need it for your Silverado. But yeah, guys, like and subscribe. Share the video. It'll really help me out. It'll be easier for me to make videos and stuff like that, and then that way I don't lose the motivation, because it's all about motivation. You know, if you don't got the motivation, you think people don't like you, you don't want to make videos, especially with my ugly ass face. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see. But yeah, hopefully I can bring you guys more videos. I'm gonna go get a battery for this thing because I'm tired of having to jump it. So I'll probably go grab a battery, maybe throw that on here. I don't know if you guys want to see a battery install, but I'll do that. So yeah, the lights, guys, I can't really find them all nice and clear for cheap. But what I did do is I went on eBay and found the front and the back for a very affordable price. I will link it down below, or I will put a picture, let's say here, on the next video. All right, well, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for following budget builds. So low budget builds, and we'll be back.